Place the sink upside down on the countertop in your desired position. Trace the outer sides of the sink onto the countertop using a pencil. Remove the sink, then draw a second line 10 mm inside the first marking. This inner line is your cut line. Cut along the inner marking using an appropriate saw. Using a router, cut a 5 mm groove into the countertop surface within the border of the remaining lip area. Apply masking tape along the countertop surface around the cutout edge and along the rim edges of the sink. Apply a continuous even bead of silicone sealant into the 5 mm groove around the entire perimeter. Ensure there are no gaps. Carefully put the sink into position, seating the rim into the grooved area. Press down firmly and wipe away any excess silicone with a damp cloth. Remove the masking tape before it sets. Allow the sink to rest for 5 to 6 hours to let the sealant fully cure before use. Thank you for watching. For more informative videos, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel @Morzze India.